How to avoid .pyc files. Can I run the Python interpreter without generating the compiled .pyc files?
In 2.5, there's no way to suppress it other than measures like not giving users write access to the directory. In Python 2.6 and 3.0, however, there may be a setting in the sys module called don't_write_bytecode that can be set to suppress this. This can also be set by passing the abg option or setting the environment variable python and bytecode.
From what's new in Python 2.6 interpreter changes. Python can now be prevented from writing .pyc or .py files by supplying the b switch to the Python interpreter, or by setting the python and bytecode environment variable before running the interpreter. This setting is available later Python programs, as these is .don't_write_bytecode variable, and Python code can change the value to modify the interpreter's behavior. So run your program as python bprog.py. Update the 27th of November, 2010. Python 3.2 addresses the issue of cluttering source folders with .pyc files by introducing a special _pycake__ subfolder. See what's new in Python 3.2 pyc repository directories. Note: the default behavior is to generate the bytecode and is done for performance reasons. For more information, see here for Python 2 and see here for Python 3. The generation of bytecode .pyc files is a form of caching, i.e. greatly improves average performance. Configuring Python with python and bytecode equals 1 can be bad for Python performance. For Python 2c, this URL, and for Python 3c, this URL. If you are interested in the performance impact, please see here, this URL.
There actually is a way to do it in Python 2.3+, but it's a bit esoteric. I don't know if you realize this, but you can do the following. According to the zip import library, any files may be present in the zip archive, but only files .py and .pyco are available for import. Zip import of dynamic modules .pyd, .so is disallowed. Note that if an archive only contains .py files, Python will not attempt to modify the archive by adding the corresponding .pyc or .py file, meaning that if a zip archive doesn't contain .pyc files, importing may be rather slow. Thus, all you have to do is zip the files up, add the zip file to your sys.path and then import them. If you're building this for Unix, you might also consider packaging your script using this recipe, Unix zip executable, but note that you might have to tweak this if you plan on using sdin or reading anything from sys.args. It can be done without too much trouble. In my experience, performance doesn't suffer too much because of this, but you should think twice before importing any very large modules this way.
Performance protection. Please consider it.